It's time to unbox the Nicki Minaj X LØCI sneakers, and I'm really excited about this. I got two. One, I've actually had this for a little bit. I've had that for the last one, which was the Roman Revenge that I got, was on that raffle thing. I got that about 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. And then the Chun-Li's, I got those about a month ago. I haven't opened it because I wanted to wait for the right moment to do it. But these are going to be like collectibles to me. I'm not a sneaker person. I literally wear sandals every day. But I might wear these for special occasions. But as of right now, I don't plan on wearing them. Or maybe I'll get a pair to wear. I don't know. But these are amazing, and I can't wait to see these. Let's go. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the first one. How do I open this? Oh wait. There's like a little slit here. No, easy. Wow, that was really easy. That was good. Wait, I mean, I've seen the box online, but this is beautiful in person. Wow, this is beautiful. Are you kidding me? Look at the box alone. I don't know which one these are, so I think this might be the Chun-Li because it's a small box. So. This is absolutely beautiful. So this print, this photo is from the No Frauds music video where she filmed out in London or Paris, I believe. I forget which one it was, but I know exactly what it is. Where she went on that bridge. Pick a side, pick a side. What's that, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that one. But anyways, this is beautiful. I'm really obsessed with the packaging. Like, absolutely love it. 10 out of 10 packaging. But okay, let's open this up. Wow, wait, it's heavy. It feels good. I like the luxurious feeling thing. It's so dope. Are you kidding me? That's crazy. That's beautiful. And then on the inside it says LØCI. And then here on the tongue of the shoe, it has the print on the box. I absolutely love this. This is the Chun-Li shoe. This is amazing, beautiful. And it comes with an extra set of white lace, which is cool. Here's the other shoe. Come on, very Nicki. Like the Chun-Li print there, I'm obsessed. These are cute. This with a nice, beautiful like loose jean or like a nice short with a sock on. Beautiful, I love this. Absolutely stunning. So let's go ahead and open the other box. Roman's Revenge, which is a lot bigger the box. Okay. This is a high top shoe though. It's not like a low cut. These boxes, very easy to open by the way. I love that. Actually really good at that. Ooh, it's a bigger box. And by the way, I'm never throwing these boxes away. Are you kidding me? Because these are beautiful. Alright, so time to unbox the Roman's Revenge pair. You guys ready to see these? These, I mean, I love these boxes. I'm not going to be throwing them away. Absolutely not. Sarah Sheen those boxes for a while. Oh my god. These are fly. These are so fly. Are you kidding me? That's fresh. Fresh. Oh god. But no, I shouldn't have used that word. But no, these are beautiful. I love that. I love that print. Absolutely obsessed. That's just what it is. Love the shoe. I wanted the blue originally because that's my favorite color. I'd rather have the blue versus the red, but I just decided going with the red because honestly, eventually I was gonna get them either way. So beautiful, obsessed, like totally obsessed. Are you kidding me? Like I can't wait to get the blue pair because I mean, I wanted, like I said, I wanted the blue versus the red, but now that I have the red, like I absolutely need the blue. You know what I mean? So I can't wait to get it. I'm really excited. But yeah, this is the shoe, guys. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing the Nicki X LØCI shoes, Chun-Li, Roman's Revenge. Yeah, so be sure you leave a comment and like this. I don't know. But tell me what you guys think of these shoes. If you watch this, like which one would you pick?